So 29 groups plus 20 groups. You're still waiting for 20 groups leader. Share screen. Ayun. So that's the whole window. Ano nangyayari sa akin? Parang first time ko tuloy. Share screen. Share screen. Ayan. Do you see now? Yung nga lang, di ko kayo makikita. Pag ganito, maliit. Okay naman. Google Meet siguro. Google Meet. Okay, anyhow, ayaw eh. I'm trying to transfer sa Google Chrome. Hinihingian ako na wala ako mag-pass. Okay. Okay na. Okay, ayan. Am I heard? So,
before I ask you, while you are waiting for me, again, like what I mentioned kanina, try to put all your concerns in the chat box. Tapos 2C after nito, lahat ng 2C ha. Sorry muna mga the rest of the students, may advice you. So we gonna meet after this meeting, all students of 2C. But prior to that, allow me to share a little introduction what you are expecting for this thesis proposal defense. Pasensya na rin kayo if Dean is always talking about title defense because nung araw kasi ang title defense that includes also the proposal. So remember, you are adhering or you are doing this thesis writing. Thesis writing is an academic requirement, no? It's an academic requirement, but if it's a professional requirement, that's research writing. It's an academic requirement. So it is a requirement of the CMO 15 of 2017. Basically, you are now on the stage of doing the research process. And research process is procedural in nature. Tama ba ako? Pag sinabing procedural in nature, may step-by-step procedure. That's why we are giving you enough time to understand and welcome these challenges of step-by-step procedure. But at the end of the day, it must produce scientific data. Okay, for quantity, because qualitative is not scientific data. What we are producing in qualitative is phenomenological data. Phenomenological data. Qualitative. Bakit kaya qualitative? Because these are concepts and data that are not answerable scientifically. So technically, pag sinabing qualitative, it's subjectivity. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Phenomenon. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Yung rare concepts na pwedeng i-explore through stories and experiences. So ngayong magti-thesis proposal kayo, you need to convince the panel. Una, bago mo ma-convince ang panel mo, you need an endorsement. No, an endorsement. From whom? From the advisors. So I think magmi-meet kami on Saturday with the advisors. So I just don't know kung Saturday or tomorrow night, I'll ask the dean. So you need to convince the panel about your research process. So that's your role now. The first stage is conceptualization stage. Ginawa natin to last semester. Yun yung role namin mga si Dr. Mejia, si Ma'am Rita. That's our role last semester. Now, we also did planning stage. That's last semester. No, hindi namin sinabi na yung tinuro namin last semester, final na yon. Now, we are entering the empirical stage. Anong empirical stage? That must be the implementation of what had achieved in number 1 and 2. Okay kaya yung gagawin natin. And this empirical stage, this covers now the thesis proposal. Because after thesis proposal, we are now entering ethical application, and that will become your analytical stage. And the last stage, when you do your final defense, is disseminative stage, when you are disseminating the findings of your study. So ngayon, para sa mga magka-quanti, quantitative is numbers. Ang una mong dapat i-measure, paano mo i-collect yung data mo through the use of numbers. And this will be treated statistically. And this will be what? Generalized with statistical significance. Because at the end of the day, quantitative approach would provide findings that are relevant on the statistical interpretation. On the other hand, sa mga magka-qualitative dyan, you're looking at the subjectivity of data. Ang problema dito, subjective data are biased. How can be controlled by the researchers. Ngayon, gaya ng mga magka-quali dyan, the thing that you need to convince now is the phenomenon. Ano yung phenomenon na inaaral nyo? Is the data that you are studying is not answerable mathematically. Kasi that's the purpose. Kaya ka nag-quali, kasi yung topic mo cannot be answered mathematically. I hope you're getting my point. So, both quanti and quali, part of that is the statement of the problem, right? Para sa quanti, and then statement of purpose para sa quali, right? Right? So, formatting na tayo. So, kung quanti ka, may hypothesis. Kung quali ka, it's not all the type of data require assumption. Usually, it's only case study. Case study, I think, requires assumption. Ethnography, pero wala yata tayo ethnography. Phenomenology doesn't require assumptions, especially narrative analysis, textual analysis. It's up to you. I think in the textual analysis, depending on the voluminous type of data that you are getting into. No, ngayon, if your advisor is telling you, do this, do that, you need to follow them. Or if not, if you do not follow them, put that in the scope and delimitation of the study. On the other hand, it's about time to understand also your methods, no? Pangalawa, research lokal. At this point, pag nag-defense kayo, you need to have a research lokal. Bakit doon? Kasi malapit. No, that's not acceptable because that lokal requires or need the study. How? You need to provide that. Instrument, whether quali or quanti, you need to have an instrument. No? And also, aside from that, data collection. Paano mo ba gagawin data collection o data gathering? And then ethics then, what are the proposed ethical principles, ethical undertaking, right? And then statistical treatment for quanti rather, and then qualitative data analysis for quali. So these are the things that you need to prepare. So ngayon, paano ang PowerPoint? Meron kaming lumang ginagamit na PowerPoint noon. I'm not yet sure kung yun yung gagamitin. Tomorrow in the morning, probably I'll give you the PowerPoint slides. The PowerPoint slides must be only good in 15 to 30 minutes, I believe. Ganun kabilis lang ang defense. So for example, it's 15 slides only and each 15 slide is intended for 2-minute presentation. So I will provide you the guidelines too. Okay? At this point, you need to get the endorsement of your advisor. Kasi kung hindi kayo endorse ng advisor nyo this week, you cannot proceed to the proposal defense. And hindi rin po pwedeng sa section A, 10 kayo, 5 lang magdi-defense. Because we need to schedule that per day. Okay? So Dean, si Dean ang gumawa ng schedule ng defense. That's her role as part of my co-CI dito sa lecturer na to. Actually, yung job ko for this semester, hindi pa nag-i-start. Ang job ko talaga for this semester after proposal defense. So my role as your clinical instructor, as facilitator, for this thesis 2 is after the proposal defense. Yun talaga ang pinaka-job ko. I need to make sure that you will have your final defense. That's my role. Kaya mas madalas tayo mag-uusap talaga after masalang kayo sa defense. So, with the payment, I don't know yet with the dean, I'll ask the final payment. Sige, mag-uusap kami talaga tomorrow. Busy din kasi talaga si team. What else? 2C maiwan after this, okay? Guys, concern. Can you tell me your concerns now? Can you put in the chat box? Or anyone who would like to speak up first, go. You are recognized. So meron pa ba dito na siguro yung concerns na lang kung ayaw mag-share sa GC. May GC kami, may mga GC kami ng class presidents. Class presidents, please, I'll get again the updates and then update nyo kung ready na for defense or not. Okay, ilang copy ng paper ang ipiprint at i-ring bind. Hindi ko sure kung ring bind o clipper lang sa St. Dom. So I'll finalize that also. Meron pa bang section na hindi na-meet? G talaga? O sige, I'll tell you later. E. So, sige. 2G, can you still wait? I'll just meet my 2C for 30 minutes and I will meet all the 2G at 9:30. Same lang ba same lang ba ang magiging date ng defense schedule for the nursing research too? What do you mean same lang? Hindi ko gaano na-gets, Riza. Are you referring starting next week? Tinanong ako ni Dean if I can endorse you to defend next week. So, tatanungin ko ngayon kayo kasi kakancel daw ang duty eh. And then, tatanungin ko bukas sa umaga ang mga advisor. So, I need to give them result before 12 noon. Kasi magpiprint pa kayo, ang start ng defense Tuesday, so you need to give the paper on Monday. Para dun sa mga tapos na, hindi ko nakita yung schedule eh. I will ask yet the schedule. Okay? 2E, Riza, go. What do you mean?
Sir, bale po yung question ko po. Kasi po yung sinend po ni Dean last time po na schedule ay kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, March 17 po to 29. So, ano po ba, sir? If
Pero
ever
wala
po, kasi
bang
po,
naglalabas ng schedule kung anong araw ka? May gano'n na ba nilabas?
wala pa po, sir. Ayun pa lang po yung parang time frame po kung kailan po kami
Riza, mangyayari kunyari, may duty kayo ng Merkules, ika-cancel yung duty ng Merkules. Ganon ang usapan namin.
Okay po. If ever po ba, sir, kunyari po, ang nursing research 2 po namin ay Sabado po. Sabado rin po ba yung magiging defense po na?
No, i-clarify ko lang, yung research class schedule nyo, yun yung schedule nyo kasi talaga for second sem, hindi yan yung schedule nyo to meet your advisor. Di ba meron tayong schedule, kunyari yung 2C, every Thursday yata o Friday, yun yung schedule nila to collect data. Yung research 2. Ngayon yung consultation nyo sa advisor nyo, dapat aside from doon. Kaso nga, nalate tayo ng defense for some reason at hindi rin ready talaga yung ibang sections. Nagets nyo na ako? Ngayon yung schedule ng defense, customize. Kung kailan yung duty ninyo, in-arrange sa duty ninyo, doon kayo magdi-defense. Kaya pag naiwan yung isang group sa isang section, patay. Hindi ko alam kailan susunod. Nagets nyo ako? Kaya yung class presidents, I really need their help. Kung ilang section ang nakapag bukas pa lang kayo imimit. Okay lang yun, Miss Joey. Okay naman yung mga papers ninyo eh. It's just a matter of argumentation kung paano siya naging textual analysis. Kasi dapat talaga, kahit naman, Joey, nung time din naman na nag-a-advise kayo sa akin, di ba sabi ko talaga dapat text data na talaga. Hindi po pwede yung magkukulit pa lang ng diary. Yung nga ganun. May tanong dito, pero confident ako B, 2B, tsaka 2A, tsaka mga hawak ko nun kasi lagi naman tayo nag-mimit nun. Wala pang ethics na ipapasa. Wala pa. Ang ethical form, after ng defense, magkakaroon tayo ng orientation next week. Paano pipilapan yung form? Because you will propose pa lang. You will propose how ethical your paper. Once approved, that's the only time that we need to ensure those ethics form. Okay, napiyok pa ako. Pwede pa ba magbago ng research? Into what extent? Baka naman hindi yung research ang babaguhin, but the type of data to be collected. Nahirap kasi sa 2G eh. Okay, other concerns? Ano po yung format? What do you mean format? Di ba may binigay na format sa atin before? Yung galing sa RDO, yun yung susundin. 4 copies lang, 3 sa panel. Okay? Do you have other concerns pa? Sige, you can speak. Dingle? Oh, Cartas. Sige, Cartas, go.
Hello po. Rinig.
Sige, go Cartas muna. Sorry.
Sir, good evening po. I-clarify ko lang po tama yung understanding po. So by Monday, sir, dapat meron na kaming endorsement from our advisor.
Yeah.
Then after, sir, na magkaroon, sir, yung endorsement po ba, may letter po ba? May parang letter na...
Actually, tomorrow, plano ko ding tanungin din yung advisor ninyo. So, siguro kung walang form, pero I don't think so na walang form ang SDA. Napaka-establish nila in fairness. Ang dami ko ng school na puntahan. Teka lang, buksan ko tong RDO template.
So coming from the school po, sir, yung paper, hihingi lang po kami ng endorsement letter.
I think nasa handbook. Ito ha, I'm opening now the handbook. Guys, nasa instrument. Pag wala sa handbook, gagawa ako tonight.
Then sir, so sir, for example po, nakapag-endorse na po kami, napirmahan na po. Ang next step po ba nun, kailangan po ba namin ipasa yung printed thesis paper or proposal?
Yeah, printed.
Sa officer, kay Ma'am Camille.
Oo, kay Ma'am Camille.
So Monday po to lahat.
Yeah.
Sir, pag na-late po ba, meron po bang demerit or something na...
Ganito, kung mag-i-start ang defense ng Tuesday at hindi nakapagpasa ng Monday, hindi kayo masasalang. You need to wait another schedule. I think baka ma-incomplete kayo.
Okay, sir.
So let's avoid that, okay? Kung siguro, kung well-endorsed naman na kayo ng advisor ninyo, submit na lang din.
Okay.
Guys, yung student research handbook, did you read that? Tatlong copy lang, submit. Ay, hindi sa final paper na. Kasi tatlo yung chairman, 2 member, tapos isa research core o sa research, para in case may mawala. 3 days lang pala yung But do you have the copy of the handbook? 82 pages handbook. Siguro I suggest, I'll try to share it now sa mga walang copy nito. Class President, share it to the whole leaders. Ayan. Shinare kong handbook, all group leaders, read it. I also share the template. Please follow the template approved by the RDO. Okay? So, other questions?
Sir, last na sorry po. By tomorrow po ba, sir, mabibigay po yung final schedule po ba ng research?
Actually, tinatanong nila ako if you are ready or not. So, yung mga class presidents later, tatanungin ko, anong section ang ready? So, I think I would recommend, kung yung section na yung ready na, they will go first.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you po.
I will try my best to be there physically for the defense so that I can defend also everyone. May 2 to 3 groups na pinabago yung research mismo. Sige, tignan natin yung response dun sa 2 to 3 groups. 2J, wondering for if the intervention is challenging. Yeah, actually, Jericho, I agree to you. Mahirap nga yun, Jericho. Anong sabi na advisor mo? Yeah, that's quite hard. Yeah, click. Hala, ano nangyayari? Okay, sige, ganito. Can you still, siguro, if may mga sections na need ako makausap, actually problemado ang mga nagka-quanti eh. Ready nyo yung Google Drive. Same link. Imit ko muna yung 2C. Kung wala nang general concerns, imit ko lang yung 2C. Just give me 20 minutes to meet my advices.
Sir,
Madali
hello
yung
po.
design nila. And then I would love to meet the other section. Yes, Dingle.
May concern lang po yung buong section F. Kasi po
Ano?
tapos na po kami sa buong chapter, pero ang concern po namin is wala pa po kaming comments or consultation ever since first semester po, and we are still waiting for Dr. Aliswag comment po in these chapters. And inask na po kami na mag-upload ng research namin, pero almost February 8 to March 1 po. Sinasabi lang po sa amin lagi na hindi pa rin po tapos yung consultation, yung pagre-revise niya po ng paper. And unfortunately po, wala pong progress sa revision and sa endorsement kasi wala rin pong binigay si Doc Mejia. Kahit one time lang po namin, and one time lang din po namin siya na-meet nung first semester. Kaya kahit titles po, hindi po kami nabigyan ng pansin. Tapos halos buong section po burnout yung topic namin, which is sinasabi po nung ibang prof namin na common nga po yung topic. Pero wala po kami naging control.
They are. O sige, is 2F willing to wait? 20 minutes for my advices or 25 minutes for my advices, 9:30. And then I'll meet 2G, 9:30 to 9:50. Would you mind to wait for me 9:50 to 10:20 to F? Then tomorrow I will make myself available again and we will start early. Wala naman ako lakad bukas. We will start early at 5 p.m. O kaya man to F tomorrow. Kaso kung tomorrow pa parang you can still some other jobs tomorrow if you can willing to wait. Okay? Okay, so thank you very much. I will love to meet my advisee tonight, then 2G. Na-meet ko naman na yung ibang taga 2G and then 2F. So I'll try my best to finish it easily. And then tomorrow, I'll make myself open again. Lahat ng group leaders you can attend. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye. 2C, I'll give you the link again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.